And you're on another episode of Exploring Shasta County History. I'm your host, Jeremy Tuggle, back out on the Sacramento River arm of Lake Shasta. Today's total is 153.25 feet below the CREST Shasta Dam. I'm at a new relic, at least one I don't remember seeing back in 2014. I might have, but this relic just recently emerged out of the water and it has surfaced. As you can see, the ground is still wet here in parts. Following what looks like the old railroad. Tunnel number 6 is right around the corner there. But the retaining wall is right here. I'm going to get closer so I can examine it more. Like I said, I don't remember if I've seen this back in 2014 or have any recollection of it being here, but as of today, this is brand new to me. I'll try to make my way further up and get right on top of it. Here's the view from Lakeshore Drive looking south, spanning the area, looking north. There's the retaining wall. And here we are looking north. And right at tunnel number 6, right there at Charlie Creek. I'm also filming today for Rating Buzz on Facebook and Instagram, and Shasta County News Source, a local media outlet. Now, this retaining wall is right below the Saudi Resort. I'd like to give a shout out to Scott, who allowed me to be on the property. The property is for guests only of his and those with permission. It is privately owned, so want to be respectful of that. So shout out Scott once again. Thank you for spending some time talking with me today.